When I was a kid, I feel like you heard a thing. You heard the term. Don't cry. You don't need to cry. Crying is the most beautiful thing you can do. I encourage people to cry. I cry all the time. And I think it's the most healthy expression of how you are feeling. And I sometimes wish I just could have been taught. You can cry. There's no shame in that. There is no shame in how you're feeling. And also, you don't need to always be justifying it. Because I think I was constantly trying to come up with reason why, rather than just being accepted for what it was. I have anxiety. I have depression. Okay, but why? Well, sometimes there is